Hey, 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 it's only me, wee Andy. How's it going? Right, let's see if we can knock this video out in one take, completely live, without anything else. So, you've got the update. Now you're looking to see. Just opened this up, so I'm just giving it a minute or two. All the pop-ups, that sort. Right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to Tools, Trinity Matrix. I'm going to update all add-ons. Everything up to date. Should be, because it's just. Then I'm going to go to Authorize Resolve URL. Click on that. Right. Then you need to come down to Universal Resolvers 2. Right. Set your real debit up how you like it. I've got my priority set at 90. Enabled. Torrent support's on. Cache torrents only. Then click OK if you make any changes. Right. Go back in there again. Right. And then reauthorize your account. I'm not going to do that because my missus is. Alright, but that's what you do to authorize your. Next up, I'm going to go into the add-on browser, right? And I'm going to go to my add-ons, down to program add-ons. I'm going to hit tracked, right? And I'm going to figure. Now you want to go over and how do I authorize tracked? Just press enter on that or click OK, whatever, and it'll bring you up the code to tracked. Follow the on-screen prompts and that'll be fine. Right, I've already done that. Done. From there, I'm going to go into my save data. I'm going to go keep track data, right? And then save all tracked data, right? And what I'm looking for is the add-on data and the save data to go green, right? Don't worry about shadow, I've not done that yet. Do that in a minute. I've already done Seren because that's what. Do the same for keep debrid, right? Up to save all debrid data, and you're looking for them to go green, right? Don't worry about resolve AD or premiumize if you don't use it, right? There's Seren, I've already done there, but I've not done track for Seren. Alright, so that's that. Then, what you can do, back into your add-on browser, okay, go to your video add-ons, right, and get into each add-on, go to your tools, whatever, and start doing tracked and real debrid in each add-on, right? I'm not sure how many of the add-ons that I've included in this update is covered by Resolve URL. It should be most of them, but it won't hurt you to go in and do each add-on individually. Alright, so just go down through them, into configure, do whatever you want to do. So look, there's Codiverse untracked here. Backed up. On a separate monitor, you computer. Link tracked here. But yes, you all know how this works. Back into configure. Right, let that run through what it's got to do. Right, and that's it syncing. Wait a wee sec. That's it. Right. And again, just do the same for your Debrid, whatever. We authorise Debrid on this because that. They can't do this and they can't do that. Not rocket science, folks. A thicko the Glasgow like me can do this, but they can. So that's done, right? Just to show you. There's my real Debrid history, right? Stuff I've searched won't sync with. TV collection. Takes 2 minutes. Oh, there you go. It's giving me my. Needed done twice for some. Gonna make sure it brings up. Only watch one episode there. Needs checklist. Giving me. Right. Nightwing. Again, just same tracked. Authorize up here. And this is covered. What you can do here. Down. Up. Comes up with. I search for a movie here. Watching the Batman. See how it's up here. That or better widget. So look, it's all squashed up and doesn't look very nice. Go in and change that. Right. Oh, 2 seconds. There's my phone going. Hello. Right. Right, cool. A minute. Right, bye. Bye. Again, somebody needing help. Anyway, right, so what I was saying, if you in Nightwing, if you go to settings, you can change that, how it looks and stuff like that. So, see where it says source selection appearance, if you put that to a single line or even just simple, and then click OK. Go back and do a search for something else in here. Right, Canto. Pull its links. So it looks a lot better. Alright, so that's about it. That's all you need to do. Everything will work if you just set up your real Debrid and tracked. There is one issue, however, with the auto completion on the build you guys have. I've done a fix for it in here. So it will work for me. Will you? So if I go and search a movie, let's click one, and we'll do a new search. So that it's fine. So when you guys get this, say for instance you want the Fantastic Beasts, you just click on that, it will kick you out of Cody. But I've got a fix, but it's letting me do it, but it would require another update, so I'm not going to push that. Just click that. Alright folks, so that is it from me. I shall go. Any questions, give me a holler, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.